Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a chart on TradingView. Well, there's too many ways to fix a chart, so let's go one by one. The very first thing, if you have drawn a line here or any designs or something like straight line or whatever it could be for your analysis, you can just go, and this is dustbin icon, the trash. I can just click here, and here you can just remove one line or both of the lines. For example, if I've drawn here three lines, then here it will show me the three lines. So for example, I just want to remove one indicator, so indicator got removed, right? If I just want to remove these two drawings, I'll click on and I can remove it. So this is the undo icon. If I just go and select like this, it will come back. So in this way you can just remove it. You can also use Ctrl+Z in your keyboard for the same format, right? So it's very easy to do it. And by the way, if you want to completely get into the default chart view, for example, this is settings gear icon, so this is the third way, and here usually you will find it on the right side too. So just go here and the interface will look like this. And under this section of template, just click on apply default and click on OK. So everything will be get removed, the colors and everything, and it will be in a default chart, the original in the trading view. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.